In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert SmartArt to editable shapes in PowerPoint. This is a great technique when you like the look of a SmartArt graphic but want more freedom to customize every piece. Once converted, you can move, resize, and restyle each element independently, which is perfect for precise layouts and unique branding. Start by selecting the SmartArt you want to convert. Click anywhere on the graphic so you see the selection border around the entire SmartArt, not just a blinking cursor inside a single shape. If you find yourself in text editing mode, press Escape and click the outer edge to make sure the whole object is active. Next, convert it to shapes. With the SmartArt selected, go to the SmartArt Design tab, open the Convert menu, and choose Convert to Shapes. You'll notice the SmartArt design options disappear, and the graphic becomes a grouped set of shapes. This is expected. Keep in mind, conversion is a one-way action. The SmartArt's automatic layouts and quick style options will no longer be available after this point. If you need to work with individual pieces, ungroup the graphic. Right-click the converted object, choose Ungroup, and confirm. Depending on the layout, you may need to ungroup a second time to separate text from shapes. A quick tip. On many systems, the shortcut for ungroup is Ctrl+Shift+G. Using it twice usually breaks everything apart cleanly. Now you can edit individual shapes. Click any shape to adjust fill colors, outlines, and effects from the Shape Format tab. You can also change the size and position precisely. Holding Shift while resizing keeps proportions consistent, and the arrow keys let you nudge elements for pixel-perfect alignment. Use Align and Distribute to tidy up spacing, and open the Format pane if you want fine control over shadows, corners, and transparency. Your text is now free to move and format independently. Resize text boxes, change fonts and styles from the Home tab, and tweak text box margins for better readability. If text overlaps other shapes, bring it to the front or send it back as needed to control layering. Before you go further, save a copy. Because you can't convert these shapes back into SmartArt, it's smart to keep a backup of the original file. Use Save As to create a duplicate so you can return to the SmartArt version anytime. That's it. Select, convert, ungroup if needed, then customize shapes and text. With a saved backup, you get creative freedom without losing the original.